Well, good morning, guys. Welcome to another Hundley Garage. So I got reached out to from iHood and said, would you do a review on our heated jacket? And why wouldn't I? So they sent me this, got to pick one out. I picked an extra large, basically took it out of the box, and it's in this bag. It's a pretty nice bag. So I haven't opened it yet. There's this zipper here and nothing inside of that. But then there's a zipper up here. And open this up, and it looks like they got a nice manual here. Scan QR code. And then looks like the jacket is wrapped up inside of here. So I think what I'm gonna do is, this is freaking nice. This looks like a battery box right in here. I'm gonna pull this guy out and open this up because I can't do it with one hand. See what's inside. Well, guys, after reading this for a little bit, this jacket, and I'll take it out here in a minute. You operate it with, this is on the front. So this is a light right here, light button, and this is for your back and the waist, and this is for your chest heating, and this is for your neck. And so you can do them independently or all of them. And you press it in for 3 seconds, and there's 3 heating modes. So there's a high, a moderate, and a low for each one of them. And so, like I said, if you press on there, so that it's got some lights, I guess, lights switch. This one, this button right here will do the back and your waist. This one will do your chest, and this one will do your neck. Like I said, there's 3 modes here, and there's some times in here, and I guess if you do all 3 of them on high, it'll last 3 to 4 hours. And if you do medium, 4 to 5, and low is 5.5 to 7 hours. And then these are the different ones. They don't want you to wear it in the rain using it. The battery that comes with it is 14.4 milliamp, 54 watts, so quite a bit. And you can wash it though. So that's pretty interesting. And they do offer quite a few jackets here, and I'll show you those. So the one here, it's showing it's got the hood. I think I got the jacket without the hood, but then they also have a vest, so you can kind of see what that looks like. And then they also offer a woman's, ladies' jacket. And they offer gloves. Looks like a pretty neat glove. And yeah, I've never really heard of them before, but kind of cool. So I think what I want to do is take this battery out and get it charging, and then I'll take this coat out. So here is the battery. It's a pretty nice battery. And see if I can get this to focus here. Maybe not. I think it's the same info on here. Anyway, got an out, an in out, and an out. So I think I charge it here, and then I'll probably plug it in. So pretty nice battery. Comfy in the hand, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and get it plugged in and charging. So this is a pretty nice jacket. It's got a good feel to it. and the inside is soft. It's got a bunch of zippers all over it. Yeah, pretty nice. But pretty nice jacket. This does have a hood, and it looks like you can take it off. So I'm probably gonna take it off. I don't like hoods, and I'll give it a try on. Well, this is what the coat looks like. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's got these pieces down here where you can tighten it up. So you get your pockets here, and got some pockets on the inside. What do you think of it, Ava?
I think it's pretty cool.
It's heated, so there's heating stuff in here and in the back and in the neck.
You won't be cold.
So I'm gonna go ahead and we got tons of pockets. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the battery charged up and let you know how it works. So I've been charging the battery. I let it charge overnight. Didn't need to go that far, but it's kind of cool. It's got the percentage battery, and then you can push this button on the side, and it shows the this is volts and 0 amps being pulled, and then 100% battery. So just thought that was kind of nice. You don't really see that. So I'm gonna we're supposed to get colder here in like 3 days. And so I'm gonna wait until we get cold out, and then I'm gonna try this out. So it's finally cold enough outside to try the coat out. It got into the 30s, and then it got back into the 70s, so it was too warm. But I'm putting the jacket on, and right over here, I'll try to go into a mirror. I'm gonna try this jacket out and let you know what I think. But I'm wearing it in with dress clothes. I think it looks nice. But I was trying to figure out where the battery went, and it's right inside of here. And so you just plug it in. Battery's been sitting for a little bit, still at 100%. So I'm gonna plug it in and try it out. All right, so I got it plugged in, and this isn't the easiest thing to show you, but when you press these buttons, you can press in and to turn them on. This button down here is the light for it, so that you can kind of see if you've got it set up right, and turn them all on, and that way you don't have to walk around with it lit. Yeah, I got it turned on now, and like I said, I kind of like the coat. It's kind of cool anyway with the light on there, but you can turn it off once you get everything set. But yeah, I think everything's kind of heating up. I think what I might do is take the coat off. I guess once it feels warm, I'll take it off and take the, I've got a temperature scanner thing, and shoot it on it and see what the temperature is. I'm not real sure otherwise, you know, how I can tell you, yeah, it's warm, and then how do I verify it? So might just see how long it warms up. It's only been a couple minutes. I can already feel it in my back and my neck area, which the neck area is kind of nice because the rest of this area keeps kind of warm anyway. But when you get that back behind the neck, it's kind of like when you get a I don't know, do you ever heat up rice in a fabric thing and kind of put it on you? Kind of, you could probably almost do just your neck. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, let this warm up, and then I'll scan it and see what kind of temperature readings I'm getting. All right, so I can feel it getting warm, and these change colors as it gets warmer to like stop the power going to it. So this one over here, which is the neck, looks like it's not red yet. So I'm gonna take it off, and this is showing the back and the bottom, and then the front, which I can feel it in the front, and I can feel it in the neck too. So I'm gonna take the coat off and we'll see what the scanner says. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this somehow. Where the heck's the pointer at? All right, so it says 90 up there. There was 76. There's 90, 75 down here, up front. I felt it over here. It's kind of hard to do. It says 74. I don't know how accurate this thing is here. I don't know. I mean, I don't really believe that scanner. Where's these little pockets at? So they're right there. There they are. So let me try this again. So this is where it is not, and this is where the heat is. So 85, 74. So yeah, it's 82. I think it's a comfortable temperature, 85. And then up here around the neck, that's in the sunlight, it's absorbing heat, but it works. So 10 degrees warmer. I'm gonna go wear it outside and see how it goes. So far, so good. I like the jacket. So even if the jacket didn't have the heated stuff on it, it's still an attractive, nice jacket. I'm gonna wear it today. So I took my coat to the Purdue football game, and my daughter took it from me. What do you think of it, Ava?
It's really warm.
She has it. I think it looks pretty good. You can see the little settings on there.
It feels like a heated blanket.
The heat, do you? Yeah, so works out real well at a football game. So I'm not sure I'm gonna get my jacket back. Do you like it? Here, let's see what it looks like.
It's really big.
Comfy. So let's keep going. But yeah, might have to get Ava one.
Yeah.
She really likes it. Well, we're back now. I think I'm gonna end this video. I think overall I really like the coat. It's real nice, even if you don't use the electric. It's real soft. I think it looks nice. It's got a good look to it. The fabric's real nice. And then the heater works really well. You can see that light. I think if you press that bottom button, it turns it off. And then you can turn it back on so you can see it. But was it nice and warm during the game?
I'm gonna steal it.
I think she wants one of her own. So yeah, I think the coat is really nice. I'd recommend one. You know, even without the battery, it's a nice coat. And then you throw the heater in there and it's pretty cool. But
it's like a heated blanket.
Heated blanket. It's really soft, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like I didn't even think about it, but we ran it for I think probably 2 hours total, and it's got 38% of the battery left, so that's not too bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it back up and keep it, but yeah, just wanted to add that in here to the end of the video. Like I said, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.